This feature will allow machine-powered programming users to interact graphically with tools. This will improve productivity and ease of use interacting with tools in machine contexts. In previous releases, the Machine Setup Configurator has been introduced to allow users to commission the machine tool digital twin in a CAM setup. Users can see the mounting locations of tools in the tree structure of the Machine Setup Configurator. Formerly, selecting a tool in the Machine Setup Configurator already resulted in a highlighted tool in graphics. Now, the Select Tools and Device option, which is available in the Machine tab, has been extended to support machine-powered programming setups. To use this new feature, the Select Tools and Device option needs to be activated. When the user hovers over a tool in graphics, this will result in a highlighted tool node in the Machine Setup Configurator. In case the tree nodes are collapsed or outside of the visible area, the system will automatically expand the tree nodes and scroll to the tool's position, so that the tool will be visible to the user. Then, upon clicking on a tool in graphics, it will also be selected in the Machine Setup Configurator. Any tool selected in the Machine Setup Configurator will also be highlighted in the Operation Navigator tree. Furthermore, NXCam now also allows the user to directly perform actions on the graphically selected tool. First, the name of the selected tool is displayed. Next, the user can choose between edit the tool, delete the tool from the setup, or to remove the tool from its carrier location into unused items. Overall, direct graphical interaction enhances usability, efficiency, and engagement. It's making tool handling within NXCam more effective, intuitive, and user-friendly.